Hi guys, this is Lydia from Be Original by Lydia, and today I decided to share with you how you can upload an SVG file with text to Cricut Design Space. So, because usually the Cricut will not allow you, but I found a way, and why not to share with you. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the Inkscape, and yeah, I opened it right now. The next step is to create your design, the writing design. I need just text, and I will use the American typewriter in the bold font, and I'm going to type Emily. Okay, so do adjustments you need. Okay, right now I'm going to make it a little bit bigger to be easier to see, and I am going to create a shape, a rectangle shape. It's going to be in a different color. Make sure to be a different color. Select and put on the text. It should cover all the text. Now once the rectangle is selected, you have to move the path to the back of the writing of the text. So once it is moved back, you have to select both items, the rectangle and the Emily text, and go to path and click on the intersection. So once you click that, you can see you have just changed the color, and it's the same, it's Emily. You can see in the path that you have just one layer. And the next step you have to do is just go ahead and save it. I'm going to save as. It should be in an SVG. Don't forget to choose the format. And I'm going to write as an Emily. Two. I'll put 2 and save. Right now, you have to go to the Cricut Design Space. Just upload an image. Sorry, upload image. Browse. Find the file you just saved, and it's here, the Emily's 2 SVG. Open it. It's selected, so you have just to upload, and you have here in your files. Insert. And here we go. Here is the name, and you can create. You can resize, of course. And the name is attached in case you want to detach each letter. So it's super easy. All you need to do, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, and all you need to do is just to take one shape rectangle. Yeah, it's going to be rectangular. Just resize and cover the last 4 letters in order, because we want to detach first the letter E. So I'm going to cover the letters that I don't need for now, and go ahead and select and slice, and that's all. The E is detached. So the next step is to delete all these layers and go ahead and do one more shape. Sorry. We are going to keep M, so slice, and M is detached. Once again, delete, and it's going to be the same for the next 3 letters. So it's super easy. I don't know if you still have questions. Just leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So here we go, slice, and yeah, all the letters are detached. Super easy, nothing hard. And the last one, so the last one is going to be easier to detach. So cases like this, I'm going just to move the shape, a rectangle shape, a square shape, sorry, in this way, and select slice, and here we go. We have all our letters detached. And here we go, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. I do apologize for my voice, but I'm a little bit sick, so hope the next time is going to be better. Thank you and bye, see you later.